guys, it's Cynthia here, and your girl is finally back from the dead. So much has been going on, y'all. Like, y'all missed so many chapters in my life, and I'm just here to give you guys like a recap and show y'all like an update of my life. So, enough of talking. I hope you guys keep on watching and enjoy the video. Love y'all. Mwah.
My therapist taught me this, and it's about like accepting the season. Weather can never be the same. It can never rain all day, every day, like we'd flood. So maybe you're in a season, but the weather always has to change. What can you be learning? What can you be doing in this season? Because it's definitely not going to change if you're not figuring out what lesson you need to have in this season. If it never rained, the plant's not growing. Wow. But nobody likes the rain. It's not giving. Some people love it though. Some people find a way to be happy in the rain. So what are you doing in the rain?
So, as many of you guys know, I go to Kennesaw State University, home of the Owls, hooty hoo. And I'm actually glad that I decided to go through with an out-of-state college experience. I really wanted to get out of Virginia and network, explore, meet new people, and all of that jazz. I really wanted just a clean slate going into like my college chapters, and I'm glad that I actually like went through with it and didn't like back out of my plan. I did get discouraged, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. I felt like homesick, and like I said, I did have like some family issues going on, and I just truly wanted to be back in a place that I'm comfortable in. But with my family in Atlanta, I am grateful that they was always there to back me up and motivate me and keep my head up high. So I'm definitely grateful for them. Love my family. So for my overall experience at Kennesaw, I could truly say that I do not regret anything that has happened throughout this year. I'm truly blessed that everything fell in its place because y'all, I did not trust the process at all. But looking back, it's really beautiful how everything just came together, and what the things I just experienced. Like, I'm truly blessed for the people that I met along the way. And shout out to Kennesaw. No, this video is not sponsored by Kennesaw State, so do not try it, y'all. Do not try it. But I love how Kennesaw always gets their students outside their classes and books. Like, they always have something going on at campus or on campus. Like, we had talent shows, yard shows. We also had T-Pain come out for homecoming. Like, they always just have something going on. I definitely give Kennesaw like its props on this one right here. Also shout out to my roommate Mari. I love her so much, y'all. Like, I really wouldn't have survived this year without her. We really been through a lot. Like, we really balanced each other out throughout the year. Like, she was going through things, I was there, and I was going through things and she was there. So she's truly like the best thing in this world. So shout out to her if you're watching this. Love you lots. And so for the end of this little college segment, my main key takeaway that I learned my freshman year was really to just let the storm ride out and just breathe. So, two major updates. Your girl got a car. This is Scar right here. She's a red Kia Forte 2019, y'all. Like, I'm so proud that I finally got a car. And your girl is 19. Like, I am not a baby no more. I literally turned 20 in a few months. During my birthday, I went to Simone and got my nails done. And I installed my own wig and dyed it. Like, this is my first wig I ever dyed. I dyed it into this ash blonde and I installed it myself. Like I said, I did my makeup and took pictures. These are actually posted on my Instagram, so go ahead and follow me if you don't. But y'all, I felt so beautiful. Like, I haven't felt that way in a long time, and you guys could tell like on my face I couldn't stop smiling. Like, I truly felt like I was that girl. But overall, my 19th birthday was amazing. So moving along to my spring semester, I became an ambassador for two different businesses. This one was a lash business which was on campus. Her work is amazing. It's just I didn't stay for long because of the maintenance. You know, you got to keep up for lashes. It just wasn't a fit for me. And I finally found a nail tech, and I'm also an ambassador for her brand. Her name is Kaya. She is a Sag. I love her so much, y'all. Like, she's amazing. If you go to the A or live in the A, definitely check out my girl Kaya. Her designs are wonderful. Love her customer service. She is just amazing. This was my Valentine's Day set, and you guys will also see me getting ready. We decided to do a Valentine's Day. We went to take pictures and ate hibachi together. It was super cute and fun. I was thankful that I kind of like got out around this time because one of my family members who actually lived with me for a while since I was little, she recently passed away in September. So it was kind of hard for me around this week because her birthday was the 18th, which was 4 days away from when I was recording. So it kind of took my mind off of things, even though I still mentally like declined after some days. But February was like a up and down type of month for me. It was truly hard. I was battling a lot of like mental health. I had a few mental breakdowns, but my mom always comes to rescue me. She's always a phone call away, even though she's not in the same house. Y'all, I really tried everything. I went to yoga, did like little videos of me just expressing my feelings. I got out my dorm, I went to the gym. It just wasn't clicking for me, and I just felt so drained. I felt like a dark cloud was over me everywhere I went, and my anxiety was up a lot. But I made it through, probably with some stress on like my classes and stuff. It made it kind of worse, but I was so thankful that spring break was around the corner. I decided to go back to Virginia. I needed to see some familiar faces. I wanted to go back home. I wanted to see my mom. Even though it was for a week, I made that 10-hour drive, y'all. Like, I was on a mission. I had tunnel vision. I was ready to go. I made it there safely. When I did get to Virginia, I did kind of a little bit ghosting. This is when I really truly started ghosting on social media. I just wanted to get in the right headspace. I just didn't feel me. And also, one thing about me, I love my aura. Like, always when you're around me, you feel good energy. You always laughing. And I didn't feel like that. I felt like I was draining other people, and that's one thing I hate. I hate messing up other people's energy because I personally protect my energy. During my time in Virginia, I just really wanted to self-reflect. I did a lot of saging, manifesting. I did do some sit downs and started doing my affirmations and stuff like that. I just wanted to get back into the Cynthia I was. And I want to tell you guys, like, at college, you are going to battle a lot of mental health stuff, and you just got to stay strong. Yes, I should have went to a therapist on campus because they do have services like that, but I'm stubborn. And like I said, everybody goes through things, and you're at college, you're away from home. Well, most of y'all are going to be away from home, and just know it's going to be okay to cry. It's okay to have your bad days and good days, but don't let that ruin everything. And y'all know, of course, I had to meet up with the girls. We're missing Jasmine, but we decided to go to Myrtle Beach. And this really closes out my video. My college experience was really a roller coaster. This is what I mean. Grieved. I battled my mental health, of course. Y'all know I want this channel to be a safe environment for all my girls with anxiety, my girls who battle depression. Like, this is supposed to make y'all feel happy. I want to be that comfort YouTuber that makes you feel at home and makes you smile and stuff, because I battle with anxiety and my depression. And if you are battling with stuff too, welcome home, y'all. Like, I'm truly that safe place for y'all. Don't be afraid to hit me up on Instagram. I'll try my best to reply, y'all. I'm not ignoring y'all. It's just hard for me to find things sometimes. But I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching until the end of the video, y'all, and hearing me rant about my life, and y'all also just catching up about my life. So love y'all so much, and I'll see you loves in the next one. Bye, guys. Tryna hit the rap. Tryna hit the